Okay, we're going to do the book I Ran today. Go ahead with your pencil. First thing you need to do is find a spot on the front of your book to write your name. Write your name on the book. Okay. And then I want to look at this picture here. This picture looks like a photograph to me. So when I see photographs, that tells me that the story is probably going to be nonfiction, or we also call it informational text in first grade. So it's called I Ran by Chris Jericho. Okay, and I see a picture of two kids running. All right, with my highlighter, the first thing I'm going to do with my highlighter is find those sight words. I is one of our sight words. Even though it looks kind of funny at the top, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that I. Then at the bottom, I don't see any sight words. So highlighters down, pencils ready. And we're looking for those words this week. There, I see an a and an a. Those don't have I, but I do see a period I need to circle. Here's one, if. Tiff. I think that's her name. Id. Then I see a comma and a period. All right, let's look at these words. Pam, or ran. We said this word was tiff and did. And this word right here, that's probably a kindergarten word you learned, but it's the word to, and it means also. Okay? So I ran. Fingers ready? I ran. Now at the bottom, fingers ready? Ready and read. Pam ran. Tiff did too. Make sure you take a pause at that comma. A comma means that you're going to take a pause. All right. So one of these people is I and the other one is Tiff. Let's turn the page to the next page. And what are they doing on this page? Yep, flying a kite. Looks like maybe a girl and her dad. It looks like they're running too. So on the first page, they were running like on the beach, and now they're running to fly a kite. All right, with our highlighters at the bottom, highlighters ready, please. I see some sight words. Is, with, and that's the last of the sight words that I see. Let's find those words that have the I sound. Well, I just see the two that we underlined. Is and with. All right, let's look at these other words. I bet you know what D-A-D spells. D-A-D. Yep, dad. Is with, let's sound out that name. P-at. Pat. There's a period at the end of that sentence. We said that word was dad, or ran. There's a period, and you told me that word was pat, and there's the word ran again. All right, let's read this together. Fingers ready. Ready and read. Dad is with Pat. Dad ran. Pat ran. Good. So there's Dad and there's Pat. And why are they running, do you think? Yeah, you have to run when you start flying a kite to get the wind to catch it. Okay, let's see who might be running on the next page. Well, look, there's a boy and his dog running on this page. Okay, highlighters ready at the bottom. Do you see any sight words we need to highlight? I see is and with. Okay, highlighter down, pencil ready. Here's one of those words that sounded out. Sid. I think that's a name. Ran, comma, ran, period. Tip. There's a sound. Is with. Oh, and there's a sound. Him. And there's a period. That's a punctuation at the end of that sentence. Okay, fingers ready, and let's read this page together. Are you ready? Fingers ready? Ready and read. Sid ran. Tip is with him. Oh, so who do you think, which one is Sid and which one do you think is Tip? Yeah, I think the boy's name is Sid and the dog's name is Tip, and they're running on the sidewalk. Maybe he's running because he's late. Maybe he's just running for some exercise. I don't know. But his dog's right behind him. All right, next page. I see 2 kids and a mom and a dad. Okay. Highlighters ready? Let's highlight those words, sight words that we know. At. Okay. That's about it. Now remember, when I see this word look, I like to give it some eyeballs with my pencil so I know it's the word look. Okay. Here's one of those words. Tim. There's a period. There's Tim again. And I know this word is Anne because we've had it several times in this book. Period. Let's sound out this name. Nan. And here's a short I word. Id. Comma. And there's that word again that means also. Two. Period. Okay. Fingers ready, and let's read this page together. Ready? And read. Look at Tim. Tim ran. Nan did too. So who do you think's running? They said Tim ran and Nan ran too. So I think that this one is Tim and that one's Nan because the parents don't look like they're running anywhere. All right. Last page. Looks like they're playing tag or maybe playing football, flag football or something. All right. Highlighter ready. And I don't see any sight words at the bottom, so let's just put our highlighter down and get our pencil ready. Down. We know that word's ran, comma, ran, comma, ran. What's this mark called? Exclamation mark, and that means that we read that one with strong feelings. Tam, ran, cam. There's one of those words, did, comma, to, period. I see a little bit of a pattern in this book. It's one of those pattern books where each page sounds a lot the same, but they change the names. All right, fingers ready, and let's read it together. Are you ready? Dan ran. Tam ran. Cam did too. All right. So this book had some photographs, so I think it's real. It's informational text, or we call it nonfiction sometimes. At the beginning of the book, there were some kids running on the beach, and then Dad and Nat were flying the kite, and then there was the boy running with his dog. Then the little boy and the girl were running on the big bridge in the city with their parents. And then this little boy, Dan and Tam, looks like they were running and playing football outside. So what do you think is the main idea of this story? What do you think it's mostly about? Yeah, when I want to know the main idea, it's usually in the title. And it's called I Ran. So I think it's about people running or doing things that make when you have to run, like playing games or flying a kite that makes you have to run. Okay? Now, if you're watching this at home, make sure you read this book, take a video of yourself reading it, and send it to your teacher.